How long should an adult child stay on their parents' car insurance? Families with adult children living at home often wonder how long those children can stay on their parents' car insurance. The answer? It depends. Unlike health insurance, there's actually no age limit to be covered by the same auto policy. Instead, residence, financial independence, and marital status determine if an adult can stay on a parent's car insurance. Insurance costs more for new drivers, so teenage children are usually added to a family policy, taking advantage of multi-car discounts. As they get older and their insurance rates decrease, most purchase their own policies. But under the right circumstances, an adult child may benefit by staying on a parent's insurance until 30 or even older. Lots of factors affect car insurance rates, including driver age, gender, vehicle type, driving record, grades, and even paint color. If your adult child meets the requirements to stay on your insurance, bundling the household's vehicles under one policy may help reduce overall rates. Given so many variables, it's a good idea to talk to a trusted choice independent insurance agent. They'll explain your options, collect multiple quotes, and help you decide whether to keep your adult child on your car insurance or not. Be independent. Go independent.